Ready to transform your listening? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones deliver industry-leading noise cancellation that simply shuts out the world, creating your personal audio sanctuary. Imagine commuting, working, or flying in pure silence. These truly create an immersive experience wherever you are. Worried about battery life? You'll get an incredible 30 hours on a single charge, perfect for long-haul flights or an entire work week, making them the ideal travel companion. And multitasking is a breeze, thanks to the multipoint connection, letting you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone without a hitch. What truly sets the WH-1000XM5 apart is this effortless blend of premium sound, unparalleled comfort, and cutting-edge, intelligent features. This isn't just about listening, it's about experiencing your audio exactly as it was intended, enhancing your focus and enjoyment. If you're searching for the ultimate upgrade for your daily commute, or a powerful tool for focused work, these are undeniably the best noise-canceling headphones on the market right now. They're a game changer for anyone serious about their audio experience and investing in their productivity. Don't just listen to music, experience it. Click the Amazon link in the description to get your Sony WH-1000XM5 today and elevate your sound.